Life with my dogs.
Summer is here and it's the perfect time to keep your dog fit, happy, and cool. Today, we're diving into fun water activities your pup will love, plus they double as great exercise. First up, paddleboarding. It may sound extreme, but many dogs love the challenge and the bonding time with their humans. Start slow. Let your dog get used to the board on dry land, then try calm waters with a doggy life vest for safety. Swimming is a classic. Whether it's a lake, pool, or dog-friendly beach, it's a low-impact workout that's gentle on your dog's joints. Great for older dogs or pups with lots of energy. Always supervise. Use a life vest. Rinse off chlorine or salt after. No lake, no problem. A kiddie pool or sprinkler setup in the backyard can turn your home into a doggy water park. Toss in a few floating toys and let the splash party begin. How about water fetch? Use a floating toy in a shallow pond or beach area. It's a great combo of cardio and fun, especially for retriever breeds. After any water activity, always dry your dog off to prevent ear infections or hot spots. And don't forget the treats, they've earned it. So this summer, don't just stay indoors, get wet, stay cool, and make unforgettable memories with your furry friend. Because fitness should be fun for both of you. Want more dog-friendly tips and adventures? Hit that like button and subscribe for more tail-wagging content.
Life with my dogs.